Hello friends, today's topic, today's market movers and shakers. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Due to various announcements, news or quarterly results, certain famous stocks have moved significantly up or down today. We are discussing brief reasons for the stock movement today. These were the big movers of today. Number one, BSE. Shares of Bombay Stock Exchange BSE Limited fell up to 18% today. This is the biggest single day drop since the stock was listed in 2017. It finally closed 12% lower. The stock price fell because SEBI has asked BSE to pay its regulatory fee based on the annual turnover calculated from the notional value of its option contracts. BSE had calculated the annual turnover based on the premium value for options contract. It has to pay the differential regulatory fee for the past period along with the interest. BSE has been asked to pay a differential fee of rupees 165 crores, of which 69 crores is from financial year 2007 to financial year 2023 and 96 crores for financial year 2024. The brokerage company Jeffries has downgraded the BSE stocks to hold from its earlier rating of buy and also cut its price target to 2,900 from 3,000 earlier. The stock has appreciated from around 527 to 2,800 in the last 1 year. This is a rise of around 440 in 1 year. So today's fall would not have made much difference to shareholders who have been holding for some months. BSE stated that it was assessing the validity of SEBI's directive. We need to see what happens with regard to this in the coming days. Number two, HCL Tech. HCL Tech shares fell by around 5.7% today after global brokerages cut the target price due to the weak quarterly results, which was below analyst expectations. The revenue was up by only 7%. The net profit was almost the same as March 2023. Also, when compared to December 2023, the net profit in March 2024 was down by 8%. Revised target price of HCL Tech, Jeffries target before results 1500, target after results 1390, Morgan Stanley 1730 to 1650, 19% above the current price. JP Morgan target price before result 1480, target after results 1470, 6% above current price. Goldman Sachs 1440 to 1370 and 1% below the current price. Nomura 1500 to 1400, 1% above the current price. Citi target price before results 1615, target after results 1520 and 10% above current price. So just like the other IT companies, HCL Tech also could not perform as per analyst estimates. The target price has been downgraded by analysts. Number three, ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank shares went up by 4.5% today after it reported good quarter results on Saturday. The results were as per expectations, even above expectations as per some analysts. ICICI Bank shares touched their new all-time high today. Brokerages remain bullish on the stock. The target price of the stock has been raised by brokerage companies after the quarterly results. JM Financial brokerage firm target after results 1330, percentage above current price 15. Antique stock broking target after results 1300 and percentage above current price 12%. Motilal Oswal target after results 1300, 12% above current price. CLSA 1350, 17% above current price. JP Morgan 1300, 12% above current price. Nomura target of results 1335, 15% above the current price. The fourth stock that made news today is Apollo Hospital. Shares of Apollo Hospital was one of the biggest losers on the Nifty 50 index today as it fell by almost 4.6%. This is one of the biggest single-day drops in the stock seen since March 2020. The reason for the fall in share price was because Apollo Hospitals announced that it had plans to raise a sum of rupees 2,475 crore through private equity firm Advent from its unit Apollo Health Co. Share price fell since the valuation at which stake sale will happen is lower than expected. As per the agreement, Apollo Health Co. Limited would merge with wholesale pharmaceuticals distributor firm Keymed Private Limited. The merger will happen over the next 24 to 30 months. A joint entity would be formed in which Advent International would pick up 12.1% stake. The combined entity would be valued at 22,481 crore as Apollo Hospital Co. is valued at rupees 14,478 crores. Keymed is owned by promoter family of Apollo Hospitals. As per some brokerage companies, Apollo Health Co. is valued at 14,478 crores, lower than the expected valuation of 17,000 crore. Brokerage firm Jeffries said that Apollo Hospital may find it difficult to make this merger successful due to the complex structure of the deal. Due to this, the target price of Apollo Hospital stock has been reduced. End of the video, here is a question. Would you like to watch similar type of videos explaining reasons for stock price movement? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.